Today and in the box, we'll be unboxing the new JBL Flip 5. Now, I've owned flip speakers in the past. I am definitely a fan of JBL product. This was originally the first waterproof speaker that I owned. It came from JBL, not this model specifically, but JBL was one of the first that I've known about the waterproof, and then you followed suit. Let's open this up. Oh, nice. It comes in this nice container. It looks like styrofoam maybe. But let's open up this little thing first. This is kind of cool looking. I like their packaging. The packaging is definitely appealing to the eye. But let's open this up and see what's inside of it. So this is all the reading material. So we got the setup guide with instructions. We have the cable to charge it. So it looks like it charges with USB Type-C. That's the charger. The quick start guide. So this probably shows you how to pair and power up the device and charge it up. And it lists all the specs if you really want to go into detail with what the device does. This little booklet with a warning sign. I feel like every one of the JBL product comes with this sort of a booklet, which I'm assuming it probably covers the limited warranty and whatnot. And we have another one here. This one's the warranty book. So, well, let's go open up this speaker, see how this bad boy looks. This styrofoam case is pretty nice with the logo right on the front. I like it. So let's get the speaker out of there. Okay, here we go. So again, this is a waterproof speaker that JBL has. Most of their speakers are waterproof to my knowledge. It keeps the same similar design as the JBL flips in the past. Here we have the pairing and the power button right there on the side. I like how that looks with the charging port. The logo built right on the sub there. Oh, we got the volume, up, down, play button. I never knew what this infinity symbol meant. I'd have to look into that for the next video. I might make a video about that symbol. Let me see, powered it up. Okay, so it's ready to pair right out of the box. Nothing's been paired to it yet. This is brand new, as you guys can see. This feels good. This would be more like an everyday speaker. It doesn't feel like something that I would use to necessarily like throw a party or anything like that. Just easy listening, maybe listening at home. So yeah, this is everything that comes with the speaker. So make sure you share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.